addition and subtraction together.
Now, let's do addition and subtraction together. Let's simplify 4134 plus 2039 minus 506. Method. First, we will do addition. Add 4134 plus 2039. For this, first we will add digits on ones place. That is 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. We will write 3 on ones and carry forward 110 on tens place. Then we add 1 carry forward plus 3 is equal to 7. Then we add digits on hundred place. That is 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Then we add digits on thousands place. That is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Thus total of 4134 plus 2039 is equal to 6173. Now we will subtract 506 from the total. For this, first we will subtract 6 from 3. It is not possible to subtract 6 from 3. So, we will borrow 110 from 7 tens. Thus, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7 ones. Then subtract 0 from 6 is equal to 6. Next, we cannot subtract 5 from 100. So, we will borrow 100 from 600s. Thus, 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. So, 4134 plus 2039 minus 506 is equal to 5667. The answer is 5667.
Checking subtraction by addition.
As addition is the inverse of subtraction, we can check any subtraction sum with the help of addition. Minute minus subtrahend is equal to difference, or difference plus subtrahend is equal to minute. Example, subtract 34,217 from 87,045 and check the answer by addition. Solution. The difference of 87,045 and 34,217 is 52,828. If we add this difference 52,828 to the subtrahend, that is 34,217, we get the minute.